big breaking news coming in. It seems now the BJP, after targeting Rahul Gandhi on his vote chori claim, is saying that Rahul Gandhi is using a vote chori toolkit. And now Rahul Gandhi is also replying back to that allegation. BJP had claimed that metadata of 3 PDFs that Rahul had used were linked to Myanmar because it showed Myanmar time zone. And now Rahul Gandhi says that this entire toolkit thing does not hold any water. In fact, he's saying that again and again, vote chori has been done in India and governments are being formed by vote chori. Rahul Gandhi, in fact, has again reiterated one more claim. That is the hydrogen bomb claim. He's saying that hydrogen bomb is coming. Remember, he had said that a hydrogen bomb is stronger than an atom bomb and that soon he will be releasing a hydrogen bomb of vote chori. So this entire issue now seems to be escalating.
महाराष्ट्र में, हरियाणा में, कर्नाटक में इलेक्शन चोरी किया गया है। हमने ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट सबूत दिया बेंगलोर सेंट्रल का। आने वाले समय में हम और एक डायनामिक एक्सप्लोसिव आपको सबूत देने वाले हैं। पूरे देश में नारा चल रहा है, वोट चोर गद्दी छोड़ का नारा चल रहा है। आग जैसे फैल रहा है क्योंकि सच्चाई है और हम आपको दिखाएंगे। हिंदुस्तान के युवा, आप अच्छी तरह सुनिए, सच्चाई है कि वोट चोरी करके सरकारें बन रही हैं। हम गारंटी करके आपको प्रूफ देने वाले हैं। धन्यवाद। नहीं, ये जो बीजेपी के लोग एजिटेट हो रहे हैं, मैं उनसे कहना चाहता हूं, आप एजिटेट नहीं होइए क्योंकि हाइड्रोजन बम जब आएगा सारा का सारा साफ हो जाएगा।
ये कोई पहली बार नहीं है कि राहुल गांधी जी को भारत के बाहर से कोई प्रेरणा मिली हो भारत में भारत की संवैधानिक संस्थाओं पर सवाल और ट्रस्ट डेफिसिट क्रिएट करने के लिए। तो सवाल यह बनता है राहुल गांधी जी से कि क्या दरअसल जो आप ये डायलॉग बोल रहे हैं सेव डेमोक्रेसी, पर ये सेव डेमोक्रेसी नहीं, ये भारत के अंदर इंटरफियर विद आवर डेमोक्रेसी का एजेंडा लेकर किसी फॉरेन हैंड से तो आप गाइडेड नहीं हैं कठपुतली की तरह। सवाल यह बनता है कि डायलॉग तो यहां पर आप दे रहे हैं, पर इसकी स्क्रिप्ट और पटकथा लिख कौन रहा है बाहर से।
And joining us now is India Today's Mosmi Singh. Mosmi, Rahul Gandhi didn't really answer that entire allegation of a foreign hand guiding the opposition narrative, though he did reiterate that threat of hydrogen bomb. So what are we supposed to understand by this?
Clearly, you know, this is a political slugfest that will continue because the BJP is saying that the entire PowerPoint presentation that Rahul Gandhi devised, presented to the people was in fact, created and made, and the genesis was in Myanmar, while the Congress is slamming, saying that it's just like a misinformation and misleading campaign led by the BJP because, the PDF in Adobe generally takes a wrong time zone and time location. That's a very usual error that happens, and clearly after the attack that the BJP launched on Rahul Gandhi's PPT, you have that version of Rahul Gandhi,
right.
In fact, going on to escalate the entire
right,
vote chori
Sorry,
campaign.
we are out of time, but clearly this issue does not seem to be dying down, and we will be keeping an eye on that hydrogen bomb that Rahul Gandhi claims he has.